Hey everyone, so I got a package in today. It should be a lens for this camera. Right now I'm using the kit lens, the 18 to 55 millimeter, and when I'm out vlogging, that lens is too big. So this should be the 10 to 18. I'm hoping it is. Yes. The 10 to 18 millimeter. Right there. So, let's get into it. Let's see what's inside of it. Obviously, the lens. Information about how to put it on. Okay, it's wrapped. Ooh, has some nice weight to it. Let's see. No, not broken, which is good. Okay, well, good. Zoom, focus. Okay, well, that was quick, but reason why I got it was trying to video with this camera, trying to video myself. I'm like this, overextending my arm for that lens to be in focus. So I went ahead and got a wide angle lens, so everything is in focus with a wide angle lens, and I'm not this close to the camera in reality when my arm's way out there. Now all of this will be in frame, so you'll see videos with me using it because it's going to be a whole lot wider, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!